Morning folks, it's Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs and we're working on this beautiful Aston Martin today, and I love working on these cars. Let's go and have a look. So what the guy wants basically is, he doesn't want the whole retrim because you're looking into sort of, you know, 15,000–20,000 pound, but what he wants is, let's just go down here and we can have a look. So basically it's very important, as I always say, to mask everything off. This is red pipe in here, okay? So there's little bits that's sort of spoiling it. You can see these little bits here, look. And on the gaiter, if we go over here as well, you can see on the gaiter there's little tiny bits here as well, look, that need doing. The seats, if you look at them, usual wear and tear, but you've just got to mask all this off. It takes about 2 hours to actually prep a car, but it's very important that you do that before you even start. The last thing you want on a prestige car like this is for the paint to go everywhere, okay? So before we paint, we always cover the dashboard up and everything like that, as you'll see. So if we go up here, there's just little tiny bits that need doing. If we go around to the driver's side, I think the driver's side is a little bit worse. So let's have a look at the driver's side. So again, we just put the seat back. You can see here, look, lots of damage here, but as I always say, and I keep harping on about this, it is only cosmetic. Alright, so you see here, look, so we'll pretty much get these back to new again. And you can see this as well, there's little bits, but it just spoils the car. And it's the same down here as well, look, so it just spoils the car. So without having a full retrim, as I say, you know, it's a lot more economical to get the leather repair done and to get it restored. So it's Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs. All the W's, mobileleatherrepairs.co.uk. Give us a call, 07904 640 389, and bye for now. Hi TikTokers, it's Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs, and we've finished the seats now and I'm really excited. They look absolutely brand new. Let's go and have a look at them. So you could see there were lots of little bits here, look, where it was damaged, if you remember the first video, okay? But look at the seats now. The centre console, all that, all the red's been done as well. Do you remember how bad the gaiter was down here as well? That's all been done, so we've recoloured all this. And everything is looking absolutely fabulous. Look at it from the front there as well. Let me go around to the driver's side. If you remember, the driver's side was really bad. Let's just have a look at this. Open the door. And then you can see now that absolutely superb look. That hole that was there now, that's all gone. That's all filled and nice. It's a lovely finish on there. Okay, we touched up all the piping. If you look at our earlier videos, you'll see that we painted the piping afterwards as well. And also on the back here, there was quite a lot of damage on here. This is basically metal, and what it is, you can paint this as well with leather paint, and it does actually last a long time because it's more flexible. Okay, and the door cards, all the door cards have been done. So pretty much all the little bits that were bad on this car have been touched up, and it's made it look absolutely fabulous. So let's just take it from here as well. And there we go. Brilliant. So it's Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs. Remember, don't buy new seats. Don't go out and get them retrimmed. Give us a call first. You'll be surprised what we can do. Okay, so all the W's, mobileleatherrepairs.co.uk. And if you want to call us, 07904 640 389. Bye for now.